Assalamu alaikum and a very good evening to all of you. I'm going to talk about qualities of a best friend. Once upon a time, Sahaba asked the Prophet, "Who are our best friend?" He said, "The one that can provide us with three. He is the best friend we. He is the best friend him." And remember, there are many people who befriend you with altered motives, like in English. They say, "I love people who openly hate me, but I hate people who pretend love me." So the Nabi of Allah said, the time will come, period to express where friendship and brotherhood. But there will be enemies from within. There will be enemies from within. You know, it's topic of its own. The Nabi of Allah said, the Nabi of Allah said, 13 qualities in your best friend. That person, that young boy. When you like at him, man in which he conduct himself. That when the that you realize that naturally there is an Allah watching this person, and not those who have made their wants, their fancies, their duties, their aims. They worship them in the manner that Allah ought to be worshipped, so that the person who appearance reminds you of Allah. When he speaks, your knowledge about Allah increases, tell you on sports, politics, this and that. How many friends are there who can motivate you spiritually and make you understand to stand as an upright the Muslim in society? When he like at these dealings and the manner in which he conduct himself, then it is a sufficient reflection of out of accountability. He is meticulous in his dealings, like accountability. Definitely it constantly remind you that definitely it constantly reminds you that he has disciplined himself. That he has disciplined himself, that he has lowered his gaze, his modest into action, his honesty. That young boy, his honesty is dealing revive in the like of Sayyidina Yusuf alayhi salam. When he attract to zina, he said she took a piece of cloth and threw it upon some idol. So Yusuf alayhi salam asked her, "What is that?" She said, "No, I feel ashamed to perpetrate the act of zina." So, so she said, uh, "Perform my my my." So Yusuf said, "My Allah is such that I can't console him. I can't cover him. I said this as my closing comments, and I make dua to the Almighty that Allah accept our get together here, and motivate, inspire in this get together here. Thank you so much and have a fantastic day."